hope everybody's doing good. Today I went to Aldi and Walmart and did a grocery pickup, and this is the grocery haul. First, I'll start off with, we have frosted shredded wheat, the blueberry flavor, and then the marshmallows and stars, and some rice squares. We needed more syrup. I love the Aldi brand syrup. I got 4 things of ground beef. We like the lean, 93% lean ground beef. We got 2 chicken breasts. I'm gonna make some chicken Alfredo one night, and maybe something else with the chicken, maybe just regular chicken, seasoned chicken breast. And then another night we have hard shell and soft shell tacos with the diced tomatoes and green chilies, with the sour cream, and we have the Mexican shredded cheese. We got 2 cantaloupes, a bag of apples that are already in the fridge. I got a head of lettuce, carrots and celery. We had a turkey dinner the other day, and we have turkey left over, so I'm gonna make like a turkey soup. I got some yogurt, different flavored yogurt, peach, strawberry banana, raspberry flavored. The rest of those are in the fridge. Next, we have this mandarin orange chicken. We're gonna try that. I have basmati rice already. And then my husband likes these burritos sometime for dinner or some lunches on the weekends. Got 2 packs of eggs. I'm gonna try these chicken momos dumplings. I'm gonna try those. I never had those before. I got buffalo chicken strips, orange juice, some milk. I had a case of the Capri Sun fruit punch that they're already in the fridge. I have 2 bags of the General Tso's chicken, seasoned French fries to go with cheeseburgers one night, 2 bags of the steamed broccoli florets. I got 4 containers of chicken broth, some wide egg noodles, some tortilla chips, a bag of onions, hamburger buns, bread, and then chips for school lunches. And then we have the toaster tarts, strawberry and chocolate flavored. And then some Alfredo sauce for some chicken Alfredo one night. Thing of ketchup. 2 spaghetti sauce. I have these sub rolls, deli rolls for steak and peppers and onion subs one night. And cheeseburgers. 2 packs of waffles. Sometimes those are nice on the weekends when you don't feel like cooking. And then we have 2 things of these loaded potato skins and 3 boxes of the French bread pizza. Some wild caught beer battered fish fillets. Some pizza bites. I have a big thing of toilet paper. And from Walmart, we got cat food and some dog food. He likes the shredded meat. And then 4 boxes of the Annie's macaroni and cheese. The shells are so good. And then a couple bags of chicken voila. I have garlic chicken and the 3 cheese chicken. So we buy groceries for every 2 weeks. They usually last, sometimes longer. So our total today at Aldi was $315.58. And at Walmart, it was $85.60. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you guys take care, and I'll see y'all in the next video.